In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix folder or file is open in another program issue on Windows and finally delete or move those stubborn files and folders. You can see I have one folder, and when I try to delete it, then it has shown me action could not be completed because file or folder is open in another program. Even you click on try again button, it will not fix the issue. So to fix this, press Windows plus R button from keyboard to open Run dialog box. There type resmin.exe and click on OK button. Now come to CPU tab. Then under Associates Handles search field, provide the name of file or folder you want to delete. Now wait for CPU to find the application using files located on that folder. You can see in my case VLC is using file inside that folder. So right-click on it and select End Process. In the pop-up, you can click on End Process if you don't want that application to use the folder. If there are multiple applications, end the process for all of them. Now close the Resmin application and then try deleting same folder, and you see now you are able to delete it. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.